Let's go! Reading and writing numbers 100 to 1000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Let's read place value and value. 895. The place value of 8 is hundreds, and the place value of 9 is tens, and the place value of 5 is ones, and the value of 8 is 800, and the value of 9 is 90, and the value of 5 is 5.